Hi, this is John again. Just want to show you what we've done since last time. We did some work on the leg. We added a hinge to the leg so we can fold it up this way. We also have laid all the track for the main line and that loading unloading track. We've added wiring to those tracks, and we've also hooked up the DCC bus, at least for this section, temporarily. And then we have wires all the way up to the different sections of the track. And then we'll go show you underneath the layout, just show you what the wiring temporary is like until we get the detection boards hooked up. We also have the tortoise switch machines. We've installed them so that they won't throw while the train's going under it. They're not actually wired up yet, but we'll go ahead and show you underneath the layout now. So here's the DCC system. We have some temporary wires. I'm going to probably build a shelf here on the angle because that's where most of the action is going to happen. And we'll probably have the DC system here. So under the layout we have just it's 12 gauge stranded wire. And we also have terminal buses that we get the track power from. So we have everywhere we have jumpers going up to the track. There's 18 gauge wire going up to the track. And we also have these little adapters on the Taurus machine, so we just have to unscrew them, screw them in. And then you just plug them in. So we have basically just wired up the bus so we can run trains on this one little section of the track right now. So that's it for this time. We're not sure what the next thing will be. So we'll talk to you then. Make sure you comment if you have any comments on how we're doing stuff. Thanks.